Folks, take a moment and really think about a single dollar, just one. It might not seem like much, but it's more powerful than you realize. Most people see a dollar as nothing, disposable, insignificant. It's easy to shrug it off, to spend it without a second thought, or even lose track of where it went. But that dollar is a seed. It's the starting point of your financial life. Every fortune, every savings account, every investment began with just a single dollar. How you treat that single dollar reveals your habits and your future. It's a mirror reflecting your attitude toward money, discipline, and opportunity. That dollar represents a choice. Spend it mindlessly, or treat it with respect. Each time you choose, you're shaping your financial destiny, one small decision at a time. Those small decisions build the foundation of your wealth, or create cracks that bring it down. The little things add up, for better or worse. Getting control of your money isn't about secret formulas. It's about the small things. It's about being intentional, even with the smallest amounts. Look at that dollar and decide, you work for me, I don't work for you. That's the mindset that changes everything. That's where financial peace begins. When you respect the little, you're ready for the big. No one becomes a marathon runner overnight. They start with a single step. That first step is what matters most. Your money works the same way. Every journey to wealth, security, or freedom starts with that first dollar you choose to save or invest. Building wealth is a marathon of small, smart decisions. It's not about luck or sudden windfalls, but about consistency and care. That $1 is your first step, setting the direction for all the others. It's the beginning of a habit, a pattern that can last a lifetime. Next time you have a dollar, pause. Understand what it represents. It's a chance to make a choice that supports your future. It's not just paper, it's potential. It's a tool, a resource, and a symbol of what you can achieve. Respect the small amounts, and the large amounts will follow. Every great achievement starts with a humble beginning. That $1 is the key to a future where you're in control. It's proof that you have the power to change your story, starting now. It all starts with that single dollar. Every financial journey, no matter how big, begins with the smallest step. Treat it right, and you'll change your financial story. You'll build habits that last, and results that grow. Every big financial win begins with respecting the smallest bill in your pocket. Remember, greatness is built $1 at a time. At Money Lensz, our goal is simple: help you see your money clearly. We skip the complicated theories and get-rich-quick schemes. Personal finance should be practical and honest. Too many people are lost in a financial fog, stressed and confused. Our mission: cut through the noise and show you how money really works. We hand you a new lens to see your finances with clarity. Anyone can win with money, no matter your past. Most folks were never taught how. They learned from broke friends or credit card ads. We're here to be your guide and coach. We'll give you a step-by-step plan to get out of debt and build wealth. It's not magic, just common sense. We talk about budgeting, saving, and investing in ways you can actually use. Forget the past. Today, you're in the driver's seat. Put on your new money lenses and see the path to financial peace. Let's get started. Why do people get into money trouble? It's rarely one big event, it's 1,000 tiny, thoughtless decisions. The just a few dollars mindset slowly bleeds you dry. That $5 coffee, the $15 lunch, the $10 subscription, they seem harmless, but that's the trap. We crave instant gratification and ignore the long-term impact. Those little leaks add up faster than you think. It's death by 1,000 cuts. Your financial success isn't about how much you handle, it's about your habits. Careless with $1, you'll be careless with 100. Intentional with small amounts, you'll be intentional with more. Your income doesn't determine your wealth, your habits do. I've seen people with modest incomes build more wealth than high earners. Stop ignoring the small stuff. Retrain your brain to see the bigger picture. Every dollar you spend is a dollar you can't save, invest, or use to pay off debt. When you see it that way, those just a few dollars purchases become roadblocks. It's time to take control of your small habits. How do we fight the just a few dollars mindset? With the $1 rule, before any small purchase, ask, would I be happy making this same purchase 1,000 times? If not, don't do it even once. That $5 coffee, would you spend $5,000 on it? That's the real cost over time. The $1 rule exposes the true cost of your habits. It's not about deprivation, it's about being intentional. This rule acts as a circuit breaker for your brain, forcing you to think long-term. Is this purchase really worth it? Is it aligned with your goals? Most of the time, the answer is no. Using this rule builds discipline, like a muscle. Over time, you'll see your money as a tool to build the life you want. Start using the $1 rule today. Let's get practical for a moment. It's time to take a closer look at your everyday spending habits and see where your hard-earned dollars are actually going. Where are your money leaks hiding? Most people don't realize how much slips away on autopilot. Food and drink top the list. These are the silent budget busters. Think about those daily coffees, snacks, lunches out, and pizza deliveries. They seem harmless, but they add up fast. Spending $20 a day on food outside the home? It might not feel like much in the moment, but that's over $7,000 a year, an eye-opening $70,000 in a decade. Imagine what else you could do with that money. Subscriptions and memberships are another common leak, quietly draining your account each month. Streaming, gym, music, many you barely use or even forgot you had. Check your bank statement. You'll probably find a few forgotten subscriptions. Cancel them and reclaim your money. Every little bit helps. Impulse buys are killers too. Checkout counter snacks, one-click online purchases, and those limited time deals. Marketers are experts at making you spend without thinking. They know exactly how to tempt you. Apply the $1 rule. Ask yourself, would you spend $1,000 on these impulse buys over time? If the answer is no, put them back. Don't let small, frequent purchases drain your future. It's about making conscious choices, not just reacting to every urge. Convenience and late fees are just dumb taxes, money you pay for not planning ahead. Delivery fees, ATM charges, late payments, they all chip away at your savings. These add up to hundreds or even thousands a year. Money wasted for lack of planning and attention. Don't let your hard work go to waste. Take control by planning ahead, plan ahead, get organized, and eliminate these unnecessary costs from your life. All these leaks can be plugged with one thing: a written budget. Track your spending, set goals, and stick to your plan. When you see where your dollars are really going, you can make smarter choices. Plug the leaks, and you'll have more money for what truly matters: your dreams, your family, your future. Remember, small changes add up to big results. Start today and watch your savings grow. There's a common myth that wealthy people are naturally wasteful with their money, splurging on whatever they want without a second thought. But in reality, most wealthy individuals are intensely intentional with every single dollar they earn or spend. They know exactly where their money's going and why. They treat every dollar as a soldier in their financial army, assigning each one a specific job, whether it's for saving, investing, or spending on essentials. Wealthy people actively look for deals, use coupons, pack their own lunches, and brew coffee at home. It's not about being stingy or cheap. It's about practicing discipline and making thoughtful choices. The very habits that help people build wealth in the first place are the same habits that help them keep and grow it over time. They instinctively apply what's called the $1 rule, always considering the opportunity cost of every purchase, no matter how small. Take Warren Buffett, for example. He still lives in the same house he bought in 1958 and eats simple breakfasts, not because he can't afford more, but because he values discipline and consistency. The real secret to wealth isn't about how much you spend, but about how much you keep, save, and invest for your future. So, stop trying to look rich for others. Start focusing on actually becoming rich for yourself. True wealth is quiet and intentional. That means questioning your small, everyday purchases and asking yourself if they truly add value to your life or just drain your resources. Use the $1 rule as your guide and let it shape your daily decisions. When you treat your dollars with respect and intention, you'll be amazed at how quickly they can multiply and work for you. Remember, wealth is no accident. It's the result of disciplined, daily habits and a mindset that values every single dollar. Respect your money, and it will respect you back. That's the true millionaire mindset. Start acting like it today, and watch your financial future transform. The $1 rule is powerful, but sometimes you need a quick check before buying. Ask yourself 3 questions. Can I afford this? Not, is there room on my credit card? Can I pay cash after bills and savings? Do I really need this? Be honest. Is it a need or just a want? Is this the best use of my money right now? Every dollar spent is a dollar you can't use elsewhere. These questions move you from emotional to logical decisions. They're your first line of defense against mindless spending. Use them every time you're tempted to buy. You'll save thousands over your lifetime. Make these questions a habit. Following the $1 rule isn't about being cheap, it's about being intentional. Cheap means focusing only on price, often sacrificing quality and value. Intentional spending means asking, is this worth the money? Does it align with my goals? Sometimes, spending more for quality saves you money in the long run. Intentional people focus on the big picture, not just the price tag. This isn't about deprivation, it's about freeing up money for what you truly love. With a budget, you can plan for vacations, hobbies, and generosity. Guilt-free. Real wealth is about options and freedom, not stuff. Every intentional decision today buys you more freedom tomorrow. Think of this as training your money to work for you. Be the boss of your money, not the other way around. That's true financial freedom. Your money always follows your habits. Mindless spending leads to stress and feeling broke no matter your income. Intentional habits make your money grow and work for you. The $1 rule is a habit-building tool. It rewires your brain to think like the wealthy. Small, conscious choices add up to massive results. You don't decide your future. You decide your habits, and your habits decide your future. Every time you say no to a wasteful purchase, you vote for a better you. Take control. Don't let your money just happen to you. Write a budget, track your spending. Apply the $1 rule and the 3 questions. It might feel awkward at first, but it will become your most powerful tool. Your journey to financial peace starts with the next dollar you touch. Will you let it slip away, or give it a purpose? The choice is yours. Build the right habits, and you will win with money.